With the buttons in the door, you can operate the side windows. In the front and via the rear button, also in the rear. Press and hold rear to operate all windows simultaneously. When you drive off, your ID will lock the doors automatically for your safety. Via the central locking button, you can unlock the doors again whenever you want. And with this button, you activate the child-proof lock. The rear doors can only be opened from inside again if this function is deactivated. Use this button to open and close the rear lid without getting out of the car. With the new smart glass panoramic sunroof, you can choose between shade or a heavenly view. Simply swipe over the touch panel or use voice control, for example by saying, "Hello Ida, let the sun in." The innovative thermal coating protects against hot interior temperatures in summer and low temperatures on cold days. A well-illuminated road is crucial for your safety. All settings for the exterior lighting can be made via the control panel next to the steering wheel. In auto mode, your ID will automatically switch between daytime running light and dipped beam, allowing you to fully concentrate on your journey. Particularly handy, when you switch on the main beam in this mode, your ID will automatically switch to dipped beam again, for example when it detects oncoming traffic. If your ID is equipped with IQ Light, you will benefit from the innovative Matrix technology. You can activate the poor weather light, for example. It illuminates the road wider and reduces unpleasant reflections. For more comfort and, above all, for more safety.
Volkswagen.